All right, today we're going to talk about low back pain. So, low back pain is an incredibly common issue for most of us in our society that it plagues people throughout their lives. It really hits almost everyone at some point.
Some of the issues of lower back pain comes from sitting at a table in a chair, driving. These are some of the things that cause back pain because we weren't meant to sit for hours on end every day.
One of the first steps to figuring out why you have back pain, because low back pain can be caused from so many different issues, whether it's a muscular imbalance, whether it's too weak of muscles, too tight of muscles. It can also be spiritual issues or certain problems in your life due to psycho-emotional issues. The reasons for back pain are really almost endless. So we need to try to figure out why we have that low back pain. And really, the only person that can figure that out is yourself.
And from the psychological standpoint, the lower back pain has to do with being able to balance socially with others, knowing what our needs are in relationship to others, and not giving up our needs to make other people happy, or not meeting other people's needs because we're being a little bit too selfish.
Great point. I myself have worked with people that were in toxic relationships, and we did all this structural work, everything that should have fixed it through chiropractic work, osteopathy, acupuncture, and personal training as well as physical therapy, finding some of the best people to help them with it, and nothing had made them get better. And then the only thing that helped them was getting out of that toxic relationship. And after they did that, they were feeling better than ever. So really, it's incredibly hard to find what it is that's causing it. And it can be different for everyone, and it can be different for everyone at certain times.
All right, so in the next couple of videos, we're going to be going over working with hypo muscles, meaning muscles that give up, and hyper muscles, which tend to get more rigid in nature, and bringing exercises for both of these to strengthen the weak muscles and to stretch and soften the over rigid muscles.
Yeah, so these next few videos that we're going to have are going over these low back pain potential solutions. So if you have low back pain and you're looking to find some guidance on how to solve it for yourself, please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for new videos.